At kausapin po natin ngayon si Commission on Human Rights spokesperson Jacqueline De Guia. Ma'am, magandang tanghali po sa inyo.
Magandang tanghali, Vicky, at sa ating mga viewers.
Ma'am, napanood niyo na ho ba yung video?
Yes, Pinky.
And can we get your reaction, please?
Well, we understand the frustration of General Eleazar. We do know that it is very frustrating for them to know that the reputation of the police is besmirched because of a few scalawags. And we do know the pressure that they are facing right now amidst the recent SWS survey results showing that the public has lost their trust because of this few airing cup. So, intindi natin yung frustration hindi. Konting paalala na lang siguro na as much as possible kung kakayanin na magtikpe, sana ay ipaubayan na lang sa korte yung pagpapataw ng parusa sa mga pulis. Kasi sabi nga natin, may karapatan din yung mga pulis. Kaya lang, very important rito, maganda na nagkaroon ng internal cleansing, maganda na nahuli yung pulis. Kailangan yung biktima ng extortion ay makakamit rin ng katarungan. Madaan lang sa ating proseso.
I guess yung tanong ko, ma'am, is may karapatan ba ang pulis na gawin ito sa isang suspect? Policeman yung suspect o hindi?
Well, sabi natin sa ating batas, kailangan humane treatment pa rin ng the prisoners under the revised penal code. Maltreatment of prisoners is prohibited. And sabi na natin, they have the right to dignity and to presumption of innocence. So, we wouldn't like that any person is subjected to any kind of treatment such as this.
Okay. Yung karapatang pantao, ma'am, ni PO2, Kibete, ito ba ay na-violate?
Well, yes, yung right to dignity niya at saka yung presumption of innocence, ando doon na. So sabi nga natin, kahit pulis, may karapatang pantao. Kaya lang, kaya nga may konting paalala na however much we understand the frustration of General Eleazar, we wouldn't want this to also guide the work of other police officers kasi tinitingala siya at baka gayahin or baka mas malala in the next instance. Ayaw natin mangyari ito.
In fact, sabi po ni NCRPO Chief, ma'am, he's sorry about his outburst to the public, but he's not sorry to the police dahil number one, hindi naman daw niya talaga sinaktan yung police. And he even goes to say that yung shaming is okay. Is shaming okay? Yung ganitong particular na shaming?
Well, shaming is not okay under the Anti-Torture Act. It's considered as mental torture actually. It doesn't really have, but of course, varying degrees yan. And sabi nga natin, we do understand where he is coming from, the frustration, the outburst, the suddenness, the spontaneity of it. So, konting paalala lang sana next time hindi ulit mangyari ito.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo, CHR spokesperson Jacqueline De Guia.